What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. We are back at the shop after Ford takeover. I'm gonna do a little bit of a thank you slash, future plan deal for Ford takeover 2022 at the end of this video. So if you want to stick around for that, feel free. If not, we're gonna get right into stroker action. So let's go. All right, guys. So we've done it so many times. Pulled engines, put engines in. It really was kind of pointless to film it, but here's the deal, guys. It's in, everything's hooked up, it's running. The issue we're having, and this goes without saying for anytime you build a car, do a type of engine build, whatever, you're gonna have issues. So right now, we've got kind of a low speed miss. When you ease into the gas, it does okay. When you try to really, get down on it, it goes to missing and popping and yeah, all kinds of stuff. Fuel pressure's good. One thing I did remember is he did take it down and have it put on the dyno and tuned. It's got an SCT chip that's in the PCM. Now I don't remember, I had that done to my car. I don't remember if that's injector specific, because we're now on 30s, which the mass air is good for 30s. I don't think the tune, I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. That might be messing with us a little bit. But Dover didn't know he had that done and set the timing a little high. We're going to back the timing back down to 10 degrees because basically the tune has all the timing tables in there and it needs to start from a base of 10. So we're going to back that back down and we're going to set the throttle position sensor. We're going to get this thing out on the road and see how it does. We're ready to feel some stroker power today. So the theory is if the chip needs to see 10 degrees base to do its thing, we're going to go back to 10 degrees, see if that helps any. How's that look? Good? All right, guys, so we made a couple adjustments. Doesn't look like we got a cylinder down. It's idling better. I know y'all loving that cam. So real quick, just gonna run it up the road, see what you do. All right, let's see what's up. Gets up in the upper RPMs, it clears up. Boy, this thing's nasty. You can still hear it kind of sputtering and cutting out there. We got a fresh 93 octane. I guess you can't, I guess these people can't get on their side of the road. See, it died right there, but I mean, you fire it right up. Ooh, Fox body problems. Let's try that again. Maybe not. Yeah. So you can hear it sitting there idling great right now. All right, try this again. Yeah, it's lean popping. It's already fun. Like, the engine is super smooth. It builds RPM, kind of almost reminiscent of the Coyote, like the way it just sweeps. It's just down, between 1,000 and 3,000 RPMs. It's just not happy. jerky. It makes great power. All right, guys, real quick. I just had to pull over. I turned around here, but you can hear this thing. It sounds great. Now, it doesn't have any tailpipes on it, so it's giving it a little bit of extra sound, but yeah, this thing sounds great, looks great. You know I'm a fan of two-tone GTs anyway, so I'm just a little bit biased. All right, let's take still cutting out. This is gonna be a really fun car when it's, when it's right. Right now it's not right. I'm about to show you the tach, kind of what it does down below 3,000 RPMs, then it clears up. Right, so see, it's kind of sputtering. Then once you get about 3,000, it's good. Clears up really good and pulls hard. This is fun. This thing's fun. Like I said, you get below 3,000 RPM, you can see it just bucking and jerking and everything else. Here. Say it's probably something to do with the chip. I don't know. But you get about 3 and it's gone. Love it. All right, guys, so here's the deal. Up next for Chris's GT, we're gonna double check. The injectors are new, but they sat for a long time. So we're gonna put those on the flow machine, make sure they're good. We're gonna set the TPS just for the heck of it, and then we're also going to get some information as far as, do we need to do something about the chip that's in the PCM. It's got an SCT 7-position chip on it that may be causing issues too. So we will revisit this, we will get it right, and then we'll make some full rips, because I'm telling you, the full rips, this car is going to be a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun now. So very impressed, very, very impressed. Badass car. So we will be back to that very shortly. Last and final thing, guys, before I let you go, I wanted to personally take 2 seconds to thank everybody that came out to Ford Takeover. Guys, I literally didn't get any decent pictures, any decent videos of the event. My first goal for Ford Takeover is that you have fun, you stay safe, and you get the value of you feel like it was worth traveling and coming out for the event. That's my first goal, and that means that I've got to run my ass off. And that's just part of it. And as it's grown and exploded the way it has, I simply just don't have the time to just enjoy the show and talk to you guys and see your cars like I would like to. But again, my first goal is that you have fun, you get value out of it, and it was worth your time. So thank you guys very much for coming. It means a lot to me. I had a few people complain about the track situation, and we'll never put anybody's safety at risk, anybody's car at risk for any reason. We spoke early with the track owner. He was going to do everything in his power, and he did. And the water kept seeping. I had the track until 4 o'clock. I was paid up till 4 o'clock, and he essentially said, you can have it, as long as you need it. If I feel like we can get this track right, then you got it all night if you want it. And that was the deal. And he knows that property. He knows what it does after a rain. And he said he just doesn't want to risk it. And it was unfortunate, because there's so many fast cars. And there was nobody else that wanted to race more than he and I. But you know, it's a gamble when you deal with outdoor, you know, activities like that. It's just, it is what it is. And you know, we're looking at maybe getting away from May. There's a lot of rain here in May. Then you deal with heat, you know, but we're going to try and find the best possible date and, you know, set that up for Ford Takeover 2022. And I promise it's going to be even bigger, even badder, and it's going to be epic. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you again for coming and supporting the event. And I'm just going to keep working my ass off to make it better. And if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.